Hi, my name is Sandeep and you are watching my YouTube channel Pharma Learning with Sandeep. In this video, we will discuss about tablet tooling. This is a second part of tablet tooling. The content of this video is a procurement of tooling, verification and inspection of tooling at time of receipt, cleaning of new punch set, inspection of punches and dies, polishing, cleaning of tooling after uses, disposal of punch set and subset life. We will discuss one by one. First is a procurement step of new tooling. We will discuss through this flowchart. First is a preparation of drawing. Drawing is prepared by a manufacturer as per specification provided by user. Then approval of drawing. The drawing is approved by department head and QA head. In case of new product, drawing also approved by F&D head. The manufacturer will provide one sample punch set for trial. The sample punch set including one upper punch, one lower punch and one die, and it is provided to the user for taking one trial. Then if trial is successful on machine, the sample punch set should be approved by department head and F&D head. Then after approval of punch set, the user department raise the purchase order for full set of punches. This is a procedure of new tooling procurement. Next point is a verification and inspection of tooling as a type of receipt. When the tooling received, there are verification step. In verification step, check the number of punches and dies received against the indent. The indent is provided by a manufacturer and the user department will check the number of punches and dies received against the indent. Then next checkpoint is a check each set for manufacturing date, supplier, identification, serial number and size. These detail also available on punches and dies, that is manufacturer, punch size, manufacturing date, and it is cross checked with tooling specification. Next point is a cleaning of new punch set. When new punch set received, there is a cleaning procedure. Immersing all punches and dies into 100% IPA and clean with the help of clean, dry, lint-free cloth. Then wipe the punches and dies with lint-free cloth and die bore by using inserting cloth into it. The punches and dies kept in container containing 100% IPA for several times. Then after that, clean every punch and dies with lint-free cloth. The inspection of punches and dies. After cleaning of new punch set, the inspection is carried out. There are total 12 checkpoints of punches and dies. We will discuss one by one. First, punch height. Check the deviation in a height with respect to the standard using a dial gauge. This is a dial gauge and punch height is measured by using dial gauge. Then tip diameter. Tip diameter checked with the help of vernier caliper. It is upper punch and lower punch tip diameter are checked by using vernier caliper. Then tip body surface. It is checked for scratches, damage, damaged surface, finish, crack, pits and spots. And magnifying glass are used for inspection of tip body surface. Then tip edges. The tip edges of upper punch, lower punch are checked visually for damages, cracks, sharpness and burr. Then embossing detail on faces of upper and lower punch. It check visually for letters, fluttering of letters, burr, roughness and cracks. Break line. It check visually for position, fluttering, roughness and dips score. Then key of punch. This is a key of punch and it is only available for upper punch and other than round punch. It check for scratches, damage and surface finish. Next checkpoint is a punch head. Punch head, check the punch head with the head go and no go gauge. This is a go no go gauge. The punch head should be easily pass through go gauge and it should not be passed through no go gauge. Next checkpoint, die inner diameter. The die inner diameter measured by vernier caliper. Then die height also measured by vernier caliper. Then inner surface of die. Check visually for scratches, damaged surface, finish, crack, pits and spot. And it is checked by magnifying glass. Then body surface of die, that is upper and lower surface of dies are checked by using magnifying glass. Their uniformity, edges, surface finish level are checked. These are checkpoint of punches and dies. Next point is a punch die polishing. So why the punch and die polishing is required? Polishing of punches and dies shall be done as and when required in a falling condition. If there is a burr or roughness on the punch tip turn black, sticking or picking problem is observed during compression, appearance of tablet become dull, die bore surface become black, corrosion of tablet is observed, capping of tablet is observed. In that case, punches and dies polishing is done. This is a punches and dies polishing machine and it is done in this case and whenever is required. Then tooling care. So there are several tooling care processes. First is a cleaning. The cleaning of punches and dies is carried out when the new punch set is received and after uses of punches and dies. Then assessing, that means inspection of tooling. Then repairing, if any punch or die is found damage, then repairing is done. Then measuring step, measuring of punch height, punch diameter, inner diameter, that is measuring. Then polishing. Then lubrication of punches and dies and proper storage of punches and dies. Next point is a cleaning of tooling after uses. After every uses, there is a process of cleaning of punches and dies. After completion of compression, clean the machine, turret, upper and lower punch to remove the previous product with the help of vacuum cleaner or lint-free duster. Then clean all punches, dies and die bore thoroughly with lint-free cloth or with nylon brush. Clean the punches and dies by dipping 100% IPA one by one, followed by wiping with clean lint-free cloth. The die bore should be cleaned using nylon brush. Dip in 100% IPA. This is a cleaning process of punches and dies after uses. Then after cleaning, there is a inspection step. Inspect the punch tip and die bore visually by using magnifying lens. Then lubrication of punches and dies. Applied thin smear of food grade oil on surface of punches and dies, including inner surface of die bore, and keep in respective box. Now disposal of punches set. When the disposal is required and disposal process we will discuss. Punch set should be disposed when the set become incomplete due to the reduction in a number of upper punch, lower punch or dies. The punch set consists of upper punch, lower punch or die. Any component of them is get damaged, the whole punch set is rejected and it shall be disposed. The disposal process is transfer the defective punches and die to the scrap yard after approval from QA and hand over it to engineering person for disposal. Then the engineering person should deface their tip body with the help of hammer or grinder and record the disposal detail in respective format. Now subset life, that means when the punch set inspected, the punch set should be inspected when one subset complete the compression as per below table and at a time of new punch receipt and every 2 years plus minus 1 month. The inspection of punch set carried out at a receipt of a new punch set and every 2 years plus minus 1 month or according to this frequency of subset life. The lifespan of subset is different for different product as per this table. For circular tablet, the lifespan of subset is 5 million tablet per subset. For other than circular tablet, the lifespan is 3 million tablet per subset. In case of multi-layer circular or tablet in tablet, the lifespan is 3 million tablet per subset. In case of multi-layer non-circular tablet in tablet, the lifespan is 2 million tablet per subset. After completion of this lifespan, the punch set are re-inspected and it is found okay, then it can be further used. Thank you.